Okay, we got a Ford Explorer 2020. What we end up doing is adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because he wanted to get some kind of protection. The only way this alarm fires off in these factory alarms, which is this Ford Explorer, which is the same thing on the Mustang and the F-250 and all those trucks, basically the whole Ford line. If it has a factory alarm, you'll be able to tell. You lower the driver's window down, hit lock, give it like a minute, reach in through the window and through the inside and open the door and see if the alarm fires off. But when you start the car, lower the driver's window, close the door, wait a minute, and then stick your hand and open the door from the inside, and the factory alarm should fire off. Then you are a good candidate for an aftermarket add-on to the factory alarm system. Because the other alternative would be if you didn't have an alarm in the vehicle, it would be to install a full-blown alarm, and then you will have to carry another remote control in your keychain. So definitely he didn't want to have to do that. He wanted to keep everything factory and not have to carry another fob around. Okay, so we end up adding the shock sensor kit to the factory alarm system. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on it. What happens is the only way that this factory alarm fires off is if a door or the hood or the hatch is open, and basically people break in by busting out your window and jumping in without opening any of the doors. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this window right here. The alarm will fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Okay, I'm gonna arm it again. This works from bumper to bumper, including any window that I hit in the vehicle, the tires too. I'm gonna go ahead and illustrate the other side. And by the way, they did a real nice job on this Ford Explorer 2020. Not to mention that tablet screen that they have inside for the radio. Very impressive, pretty nice. When you arm the factory alarms have like a little delay. You got to wait about 15 seconds or 20 seconds before you can beat on the car. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the window. The factory alarm also protects your rims and tires. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this tire. It should fire off the alarm. Okay, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you got your window broken into or your car left in full bricks or you want to prevent anything like this from happening, give us a call and we can add the shock sensor.